Watch water freeze before your eyes in this stunning instant ice experiment. Let's dive into the chilly world of supercooling, where water remains liquid below its freezing point. For this icy magic, you'll need just two things: purified water and a freezer. Begin by placing the bottles of purified water into the freezer. Let them chill undisturbed for about 2 hours and 45 minutes, teetering on the brink of freezing. Then, carefully remove a bottle and pour the supercooled water onto a piece of ice. Witness it transform into ice instantly. Fascinating, right? Imagine the science fair possibilities. Create a swirling color symphony with just milk and food coloring. Here's a little secret. It's all about surface tension. For this experiment, you'll need whole milk, a variety of food coloring, a bit of dish soap, some cotton swabs, and a shallow dish. Start by pouring the milk into the dish. Next, dot the surface with vibrant drops of food coloring. Then, dip a cotton swab into dish soap and gently touch it to the milk. Watch as the colors dance and expand, creating a dynamic burst. A mesmerizing display perfect for an artistic science experiment. Transform your room with a homemade lava lamp that lights up the dark. Let's dive into the fascinating world of density and polarity. You'll need a tall glass, vegetable oil, water, food coloring, an effervescent tablet, and a flashlight. Start by filling the glass 3/4 full with oil and the remaining quarter with water. Next, add a few drops of food coloring. Watch as it sinks and blends into the water. Drop in pieces of the effervescent tablet and illuminate from behind with a flashlight. With simple kitchen items, you've created a captivating science spectacle. Astonishing, isn't it? The wonders of simple science experiments you can perform at home. Today we delved into the chilling thrills of instant ice magic, swirled through the vibrant world of colorful milk art, and illuminated the effervescent charm of a homemade lava lamp. Each experiment not only sparks joy, but also enriches our understanding of scientific principles. Remember, while these experiments are delightful, safety is paramount. Always supervise young scientists to ensure their curiosity is matched with care. Dive into these experiments, share your results, and stay curious. Science is all around us, waiting to be explored.